In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable task access for applications on your Windows 11 desktop, tablet, or laptop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, special search, come back with settings, go ahead and select that. Select privacy and security on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath app permissions and select where it says task. Toggle task access to the on position at the top as well as for app access as well. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.